What's up, everybody? It's been 10 years. You've probably been waiting for a new unboxing. So here we have MacBook Pro. I think it's a 16 inch. Let's get this baby opened up. It's in that classic white packaging that you expect from Apple. Let's see. So it's got the M1 Pro chip in it, 1 terabyte solid state drive, 16 gigabits of RAM. Let's get this thing out, take a look. Ooh, it's hefty. Right. Very neatly packaged. Looks great. So as you know, that's the MacBook. Open that up for you. Lift it up. Looks real nice. Ooh, that's great. Added touch. Comes with power cord, instructions, power block. That's about all you really need to know. Let's look at this nice display here. If we get this off. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Well, until next time, see ya.